Gemma 4 is one of the most powerful open models available for developers. In this video, I will show you how to build an unlimited free AI vibe coding setup using Gemma 4 with the Codex Agentic Command Center. Google's Gemma 4 is the open source leader offering a massive context window. When paired with Codex, you can build and test entire applications using natural language locally and for free. We will start from a simple setup and create a fully functional modern timer, 3D website, and much more. Before downloading the model, let's talk about the hardware specs to run Gemma 4 locally. It's optimized for consumer systems, but for smooth real-time performance, you need at least 16GB to 24GB of RAM. NVIDIA or AMD GPU with 4GB plus VRAM is ideal for partial GPU offloading or Apple Silicon. Now for this demonstration, I'm using a base MacBook Air with an M4 chip and 16GB of RAM. Now go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Ollama website. If you're on a Mac like me, download the DMG file. While it's downloading, go to second link and grab the latest Node.js package for your operating system. Once both files are downloaded, place them to an easy-to-access location. Then install Node.js and Ollama. Then launch Ollama and make sure it's running in the background. Then open your terminal and run these commands to verify that npm and Ollama are installed correctly. Next, navigate to Ollama website and open the model section, then search for Gemma 4. You will see multiple sizes. Now simply choose the one based on your system. I'm using the 4B version, which offers a great balance between speed and performance for my setup. Then copy the command. Open your terminal and run it to download the model. Now this model has around 4.5 billion parameters, but thanks to its optimization, it performs like a much larger model, especially for coding tasks. Once installed, let's test it. In the REPL environment, you can pass a prompt and press enter. And as you can see, it runs very fast on my system. Now let's enable verbose mode to check the performance. And as you can see, the prompt evaluation rate is around 45 tokens per second and the output rate is around 27 tokens per second, which is quite fast thanks to unified memory on Apple Silicon. Now let's use Gemma 4 with Codex CLI to build websites. Now first create a brand new workspace inside your terminal. Then navigate to the Codex setup. Copy this installation command and run it in your terminal. Once it's done, run the verify command to confirm Codex is installed correctly. For the best experience, Codex needs a 64K context window. Open Ollama settings from the menu bar. Then increase the context length to 64K depending on your system's RAM. Now run the Ollama launch command with the config flag. This would display both cloud-based and local models. To test offline capabilities, turn off Wi-Fi and select Gemma 4 from the list. Then confirm the selection and Codex will be configured to use Gemma 4 locally. You can also run a command to verify it's pointing to the Ollama's backend. Now let's ask it to create a modern timer website using a class morphism user interface. But just don't worry about the warning. Gemma 4 will start generating the source code. It took around 10 minutes to finish the task. Now these are the files it has generated. Let's go ahead and open index.html to see the result. And there we go, a functional, modern timer built in minutes. If you notice, the timer doesn't support custom input yet. Now let's fix that. After another prompt, it takes about 10 more minutes to update the application and adds input fields for custom time. Now it works perfectly. Now keep in mind, larger models offer better performance. If your system supports, run the 26B version, which uses a mixture of expert architecture and performs much better for coding tasks. And lastly, let's build a 3D landing page. This time it completes in about 2 minutes. And the result looks impressive. If your system isn't capable of running these LLMs locally, you can use Ollama's free tier to test the Gemma 4 31B dense model. To get started, open Ollama, go to Settings and click Sign In. Then log in using your Gmail account and connect your device. Then inside Terminal, run this command to confirm everything is set up correctly. Then go ahead and launch Codex with Ollama. And choose the Gemma 4 31B Cloud model. Now first, let's ask it to display system specs. You will notice it responds very quickly. Next, let's ask it to create a simple quiz application. And as you can see, it completes the application in about 2 minutes. This is the result. It's clean and fully functional. And that's pretty much it. This is a complete development setup using Gemma 4 and Codex. The 4B model is ideal for most computers and offers a significant improvement in terms of reasoning compared to Gemma 4. So what do you think about using Gemma 4 with Codex? If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.